Hello everyone, yes, you are getting tensed because exam is nearby and you are totally black out. You are not able to remember what to do, what not to do. Everyone is giving you stress like parlo, learn. But I am going to tell you something, some secret. This is the most important secret of success. What you have to follow before exam so that you can get the success. So please watch the video till the end. And definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all latest update, notification and to be connected with Unified Study, because Unified Study always believe less is more. Less stress, more success. Less stress, more happiness. Less content, more marks. How to get it? I am telling you. First of all, see that your exam is nearby. Maybe tomorrow is your exam or today is your exam or after a few days you have exam. Now, what you can do? First of all, believe yourself, accept yourself. Whatever you learned till now, focus on those topics, okay? Don't try to find out कि यार चलो पढ़ लो और थोड़ा टॉपिक पढ़ लो और ये पढ़ लो वो पढ़ लो न्यू टॉपिक पढ़ लो. नहीं होता है, प्लीज मत करो, ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. If you are trying to find out so many new things, then ultimately it will be problematic for you. Okay, so accept yourself. Whatever till now I have learned, it's enough for me. Now no time to learn any new things. Now what I have to do? I have to focus on I have to focus on that key. Yes, I will do whatever I learn. I will do that and I will practice. Practice is very important. Totally revision, practice. Whatever I will learn, I will not do mistake in my known area. That promise is first. This is the first promise to you. Whatever I don't know, just leave it. It's okay. If the question is coming, and definitely tell yourself, this positive vibration always working. Whatever I don't know, they will not asking from those topic. Whatever I know, question will come from those topic only. This will give you, boost up your energy. See that. There will be 100 question. Out of 100 question, अभी तक तो आपने 70 to 80 क्वेश्चन कर ही लिया, हो ही जाएगा, no problem. 70 to 80 क्वेश्चन definitely will be able to do whatever you have learned till now. Believe yourself. And this is more than enough to crack this exam. There will be no problem. So if you are trying to focus on those 20 topics or 20 questions, whatever you did not learn, what will happen? Ki this 70 or 80 question where you are confirmed, 70 or 80 topic where you are confirmed, where you are confidence, you will lose the marks there also, right? So that's why please understand, please accept yourself. Whatever you have learned, it's more than enough. Now no more new topic, only revise and practice. Attempt mock test. See that if till the going on means till the last day only you are learning, then when you will fight with the time? Because in exam hall ultimately you have to fight with the time. That is most crucial thing. The timer will start 180, 179, 170, 160, 150. Only 10 minutes left. Like this situation you have to understand. If you are not attempting mock test, then you will not understand this situation, how to run with time, how to beat the time, how to save the time in every question, how I have to apply this method of elimination. That's why now it is the best way of revision, attempting mock test. You have to revision, okay, go and attempt mock test. PYQS mock test is enough. Do all the PYQS full length mock test, whatever you are preparing, whatever subject you have, go and do. UGC net, you have PYQS mock test, computer science. In our platform, Unified Study platform is providing you free of cost. All full length mock tests are there. All full length mock test. Just go and attempt it. You have few days. In this few days, go the backtracking. Like this is 2024. 2024 mock test I will attempt. 2023, 2022. Like that way, how many mock tests you can attempt? Attempt the PYQS mock test. Because it will boost up your energy, boost up your motivation. And you will learn that, yes, how to manage time. Now, if you already practice multiple time PYQS, it's enough. No problem. Go to full length mock test, ultimate test series. This is not the PYQS. Ultimate, go to the test series, solve the test series. Paper 1, paper 2 together. For UGC NET, 3 hours you have to handle. So UGC NET 3 hours mock test will help you to manage this time. Because in exam hall, after learning everything, I am telling you again and again, after learning everything, you will face the difficulty in time management. You will do the mistake in known area, and you will do the mistake of reading question. There will be not, incorrect, false. You will ignore those things and you will mark the wrong answer. After doing correct answer also, sometimes clicking the wrong answer, that is also happening. Because of this assumption, the assumptions is going on in our mind ki, okay, the first option is always both are correct, then you are marking, but maybe both are correct in the option C. That is also happening. You are getting answer 3, that option is given in the option 1, you are marking 3 and you are not getting. This practical real life where mistakes are happening, you can understand when you are attempting mock test. So I am requesting everyone, please don't waste your time by watching so many marathon. Those who are taking marathon, they are taking marathon for their profit. I will say you one thing. If you are investing time for 7 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours marathon, ultimately your brain, okay, how much you are able to remember by watching marathon, I don't know. Wherever you did learn till now, that application, if you are applying, if you are doing mock test multiple time, then it will be helpful for you. Really, if you really want to do marathon study, then go for 2 hours, 3 hours mock test rather than that watching videos. This is not the time to learn any new topic. It is the time to understand yourself, where you are doing mistake and how to overcome from that mistake. If you are able to save 2 marks, 4 marks, 10 marks time, 10 marks also, then also it will save your ultimate, you will be able to get the success. Every question is important, every 2 marks is important. That's why wherever you are strong, try to focus on your strong area, try to make it more stronger, strongest, so that in your strong area you will not do any mistake. This is the ultimate key of success. And go to exam hall without any stress. Before exam, if you are taking unnecessary stress, ultimately your performance will go down. Definitely your performance will go down. Be relaxed, chill yourself, cool down yourself. Go to exam hall like such a mind that yes, whatever I did, I will do. I will give my 100%. After that, whatever will be, I will accept it. Because till now, whatever I did, I will get my result definitely. If I learn everything, I will definitely get a good result. Maybe I did not learn something, definitely some question will be there from those area, I have to accept it. Right? Acceptance is very, very important. Try to accept yourself and without any stress, go to exam hall, your performance will be good. If you are taking too much stress, you are going to exam hall, in known area also you will do mistake. So what is the meaning of taking unnecessary stress? What is the meaning of taking unnecessary load? Don't take unnecessary load. Don't try to overload yourself. Don't try to stretch out yourself without sleeping, without anything. I am not taking food. I am not drinking water. I am not sleeping. Then how you will perform? To perform well, ultimately you have to physically and emotionally and mentally healthy. Then only your performance will be good. If you are mentally not healthy, emotionally not healthy, physically not healthy, then you cannot perform well. Remember that. So be happy, cool down yourself, relax yourself without any stress. Just few moments are there. Go with exam hall without any stress. Believe yourself. Whatever I did, question will come from those topic only, and I will not do any mistake in my known area. I will manage my time properly and I will solve all the question with my 100% effort, and definitely I will crack it. Just tell this and be happy. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.